Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add keyboard number row to your INFINIX Hot 11. So as you can see, if we open any app that allows our keyboard to pop up, we don't have any numbers here. And I'm gonna show you how to change that. So you need to go to your settings. It should load on top, so we're gonna scroll down, go to System, then Languages and Input. And from here we'll need to press on-screen keyboard and select our default keyboard. For mine it's Gboard. And from here we're going to go to Preferences and just enable number row. And if we go back to the app that pops up our keyboard, we have numbers right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.